Hello friends, welcome back to 31 Days of Resinween. Okay, I've been so excited to try this mold set. So this is a candle holder mold. It's a gorgeous flower. And then it also comes with the base, which is nice. And for Resinween, I wanted to make an orange pumpkin flower, if you will. I want to use some of this gorgeous Larisi holographic copper in it. And the way that I want to do this in particular is I would like to have the glitter only around the very top of this. And then also, how does this sit anyway? Like this? Does this sit like this? You guys know. Does this sit like that? I guess. And then maybe at the very top of this, I guess. Ideally, I would actually like it opposite. I would like it at the bottom of this. Not sure how to do that exactly. Maybe I will pour, the resin, right, in this, and mostly in this, and then I will top it off with some resin glitter. Maybe that's what I'll do. I don't know. Experiment time, shall we? It's not really an experiment time. Anyway, I'm excited to try this out, this mold out, obviously. I know how glitter works. I'm excited to see how it looks. So yeah, another pretty simple one. So let's just get started, I guess. Okay? All right, let's do it. Alright, so this is cured. I waited probably a good 30 to 45 minutes for the resin to, you know, firm up before I poured this glitter in. So, we're going to start with the base, obviously. I'm excited to see how it turned out. I'm very happy with the color of the orange alcohol ink. Oh, that's real pretty. Yes. It kind of reminds me of like an antique milk glass shape. All right. Or like an old ashtray. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this back into shape so it doesn't go wonky on me. Wow. That is really pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Okay, so it does sit on top of there. So what I'm going to do, because this is transparent is the word, I'm going to put some UV resin on here. But before I do that, I do want to scrape up, scrape a little bit of the resin, just so that it has something to stick to. Here we go. Okay. And get a little bit of my Total Boat UV resin. I don't have my gloves on right now. That's okay. I have no plans to touch the resin. I'm just going to do a teeny tiny little dot right there. Okay, where is my light? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm going to stand up to do this so I can see that it's centered. Is it centered? It looks centered. Okay. And see that teeny tiny little dot just filled in the entire area. So we're going to cure this for a little while, and then I'm going to cure it in my curing machine for about a minute to a minute and a half, just to make sure that there's a good cure bond there. And then we will roll into the glamour shot. So yeah, that's today's video. I'm really happy with how this turned out, you guys. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. I'm excited. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.